Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I have Hot Wheels Car Culture Premium. This is the Hyper Haulers series. I didn't get the whole set of 5, just this, because this is very nice. This is the Jeep Gladiator. Now let's have a look. Now why I didn't get the whole set? Because this SVT Lightning is quite plain silver. This Baja Bouncer looks like a Toyota truck, but they didn't say it, so it's a fantasy casting. Ford Bronco looks a bit lowered. Nissan Sunny truck also looks a bit slam, low to the ground. So this is the only one that I like, and I'm going to open it. There it is. Metal base, brown wheels, which is nice, or gold color, brown, sorry. The front. Now let's compare. I have this. This is main line, this is premium line. Of course, I have given it some colors, something which Hot Wheels failed to do. And with the premium line, they still fail to do this lights, which means my marker pen have to come out. Yes. Even in premium, they didn't do it. See? They have lights. This one. At least the premium wheels is better. These wheels on the main line appears to be too big. And the lights which I painted myself on the main line, here Hot Wheels did it for us. What Hot Wheels didn't do is the bike. The bike is still all black, which means I have to give it colors. Luckily I have this to follow. Okay. Premium line Hot Wheels costs 3 times more than the main line. I don't know about other country, how many times more do you pay for premium? In my country, it's 3 times. So bear with me while I give some colors. Otherwise, everything is black. Oh yeah, the lights on the motorbike. The plastic is black, so I can't use light colors like yellow. No. Okay, then we have this gold color. Be careful not to smear paint on the car. It's okay to smear on the black plastic parts, because if you do smear, then we go over again with black ink. Okay, this is more difficult. I have to use masking tape to mask the Jeep. Yes. The other side. Mask the Jeep. We don't want to paint over the Jeep, which is green color. Okay. Silver again, because I got some gold over here. And black. Because I smeared some here, so I need to repaint it black. So there you go. Remove this and the tape. Given it some life, some colors. Let's see. Okay. I hope you like this review and detailing of the premium Jeep Gladiator from Hot Wheels. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.